Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To start with, I would like to provide an introduction to this company from the perspective of industry analysis. Spritzer Malaysia is well-known player in the global bottled water industry. In order to maintain and expand its market position, the company takes into the account important factors such as market trends, consumer preferences, regulation, competition, and financial performance. These insights are used to make informed decisions and develop effective strategies. First, market trends. They have assessed trends in consumer preferences such as a growing demand for healthier beverage option and environmentally friendly packaging. Second, they also do researching in consumer preferences and behaviors related to the bottle, including factors that influence brand loyalty and purchasing decision because healthier drinks and eco-friendly packaging are crucial factors for evaluating Spritzer Malaysia's position in the bottle industry. Third, they examining regulation related to the production, labeling, and distribution of bottled water in Malaysia, and understanding how compliance impacts Spritzer operations. Lastly, the financial performance, which is the crucial part of them to understand their financial position and make effective decision for sustainable business goals.
Okay, next in perspective of strategy analysis, there are a few strategy analysis that they use in their company. For the first one is market position and differentiation. Spritzer has established a strong market position in Malaysia and has positioned itself as a premium brand offering high quality and natural mineral water. The company has differentiated itself through its source of water from an environmentally protected site and its commitment to maintaining the purity and safety of its product. In addition to its core product, bottled water, Spritzer has diversified its product portfolio to include other beverage offerings such as sparkling flavored water and carbonated soft drinks. This diversification strategies allows the company to cater to different customer preferences and capture a large share of beverage market. Spritzer has undertaken an expansion strategy beyond the domestic market. The company has successfully entered international market, including China, Singapore, and the Middle East, and it allows Spritzer to tap into new customer segments and diversify its geographical revenue sources. Other than that, Spritzer has invested in marketing and branding activities to promote its product and enhance brand awareness. The company has participated in various promotion campaigns, sponsorships, and events to increase its visibility and connect with other consumers.
So here is the part that I mentioned earlier in the introduction, which is the financial analysis of Spritzer mineral water. We have two types, which is comparative analysis and the common size analysis, which is my friend will explain to you later. Okay, let me explain first about my part, which is comparative analysis for year-to-year trend analysis statement, financial position of Spritzer Berhad. In the table, we show the total asset percentage was low in 2020 due to COVID-19 with 3.54%. It increased to 8.01% in 2021 and decreased slightly to 7.71% in 2022. In terms of liabilities, the percentage for the year 2020 was negative, showing a decrease of 30.24%. However, in 2021, it increased significantly to 31.22%, which is not a positive sign for the company. The good news is in 2022, the percentage is decreased in 12.90%, indicating slight improvement for the company. According to the profit and loss statement, there has been a significant change in the profit of the company over the years. In 2022, the company gained a profit of 52.50%, which is a considerable increase from the previous year's negative profit of 32.03%. In the meantime, the company also experienced a low profit in the year 2020. Okay, next, move to the index trend analysis of statement of financial position for the years 2021 and 2022, with 2020 as the best year. The total asset of the company have shown an increasing trend with a growth of 108.01% in 2021 and 116.34% in 2022. However, the liabilities have also increased, which is not very good for the company's growth. Their liabilities grew by 131.22% in 2021, further escalated to 148.15% in 2022. And the last part is index number trend analysis for the statement of profit or loss for year 2022 to 2021. 2020 is as a base year. As you can see in figure 3.1.4, the profit that the company gained is grown healthier, which is increasing 67.97% to 103.66% in year 2021 and 2022 respectively.
Next, we analyze this company by common size analysis. To perform a common size analysis for Spritzer, we will compare each item on the company's financial statements as a percentage of its total asset for the balance sheet or total revenue for the income statement. This common size analysis for Spritzer provides insight into the company's financial performance and trend. According to the statement performance of profit and loss, the Spritzer raw material consumed a percent of revenue increase from 34.13% in 2022 to 38.60% in year 2021. Profit before tax decreased in the year 2021, which is from 11.23% in 2022 to 9.70%, but then increased to 10.40% for the next year. Employee benefit expenses increased from 16.83% in 2020 to 17.81% in 2021, but then decreased to 15.98% for the next year. Meanwhile, based on statement of financial position, the composition of assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equities account changed for these 3 years, which are 2020, 2021, and 2022. As we can see from the table, fixed deposit, cash and bank balances decreased from 2020 to 2022, which are 4.49% in 2020, and then starting to decrease to 3.90% in 2021, and then decrease again in 3.60% in 2022.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Hasnida binti Abdul Talib. I will continue about liquidity ratio or Spritzer. The current ratio and quick ratio of the company in 2022 is 2.12 and 1.57 respectively. Both ratio decreased from the year before. In 2020, the current ratio and quick ratio of Spritzer are 3.49 and 2.93 respectively. Its slight decrease in 2021, which is the current ratio is 3.17 and the current ratio is 2.67. It shows that Spritzer has a lower liquidity relative to the year 2021 and 2020. This means that Spritzer capability to pay the short-term debt obligation is decreased compared to the year 2021 and 2020.
Next, we can analyze whether this company is efficient or not by using efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratios assess a company's capacity to efficiently use its assets and manage its obligation in the present period or in the short term. Based on efficiency ratio that has been analyzed from the year 2020 to the year 2022, the company of Spritzer, we can see that this company is efficient enough. This can be seen in the total asset turnover ratio. The account receivable turnover increased year by year from 0.61 times in 2020 and then increased to 0.62 times in 2021 and 0.72 times in 2022.
Based on leverage ratio, we can see that the percentage of debt ratio are increased significantly from 14.04% in 2020 to 17.06% in 2021 and continue to increase to 17.88% in 2020. Debt to equity also increased from 16.34% in 2020 to 20.57% in 2021 and continue to increase to 21.78% in 2020, means that Spritzer used more borrowed fund to finance its asset compared to year 2021 and 2020.
Hi, I'm Rachel Inturati. I want to explain about profitability ratio for Spritzer. Spritzer ratio refers to combine of net profit margin (NPM) and return on asset (ROA) in profitability analysis. NPM measure how efficient a company turn revenue into net profit, and ROA assess the effective of asset utilization to profit generation. In the given analysis, NPM declined from 11.56% in 2020 to 7.32% in 2021, but improved to 8.53% in 2022. Meanwhile, ROA increased from 4.51% in 2021 to 6.38% in 2022, indicate exchange production efficient. Now, I want to explain about market valuation ratio. Spritzer ratio involves earnings per share (EPS) and price earning ratio (PE) ratio in a market valuation context. In 2022, EPS rose from RM012 to RM018, indicate improved profitability per share. The PE ratio declined from 17.50 in 2021 to 12.33 in 2022, suggests potential more effective attractive stock pricing. However, a true analysis consider additional factor industry benchmark is crucial for a comprehensive evaluation of the company financial health and market valuation. Thank you. Now I want to explain about strength of Spritzer. Spritzer strength lies in key elements such as the delivery of higher quality product and service, and innovative technology innovation like BPA-free plastic for water bottle. The company boasts a strong reputation and brand presence in the market, offering a diverse range of products, include natural mineral water and flower drink. With a healthy financial standing, Spritzer is well positioned for stability and future growth. The company emphasized an efficient operating structure, focusing on cost reduction and increased productivity. Spritzer Berhad also dedicated and skilled workforce exemplified by role like the social media specialist team, contributes to Spritzer ongoing success and brand development. Thank you.
All company will have their strengths and their weaknesses. One of the weaknesses of the Spritzer is lack of flexibility in handling various products. Spritzer has produced various of products. The problem is when each type of bottle of the drink has its own production process. Therefore, Spritzer need new machine and system every time they make any change to the product. This will involve high cost and require skilled workers. Number two is limited machine capacity. If one of the machines does not work, the entire production operation of the product will be affected. The production rate will decrease and the company will delay delivery the product to the customer. Number three is skill of workers. Spritzer does not have enough workers who have the skill to handle the machine. The company cannot continue the operation if the machine is not functioning and has a problem. And the last one is pricing. As we know, the price of mineral water produced by Spritzer is quite higher because the machine that Spritzer use are expensive and high maintenance. Other than that, its mineral water contains more silica, which makes it costly. And also, the main raw material to make plastic bottle is PET resin. PET resin price follows the oil price. If the oil price is increased, PET resin also increase and the cost of Spritzer water also increase.
So the last part is we recommend that Spritzer companies are crucial to implement strategies that are both efficient and persuasive. They also need to focus on optimizing the supply chain in companies. Lastly, they should invest in advanced technologies based on the improvement of technology in the country in order to reach a more optimal level compared to other leading brands. That's all. Thank you.